Hi, my name is Josue Batista. I am a business and technology strategist. Welcome to this segment of What and Why First. I would like to use this segment to thank each of you who attended my presentation on blockchain at the Rivers Club on January 15, 2019. I must say it was a cold day in Pittsburgh. Still, you took time out of your busy schedule to be there, and that is priceless. Thank you. Thanks to the Young Executive Council for having me as their guest speaker at their monthly networking lunch. Thanks to the representatives and management at the Rivers Club for their significant contribution in organizing the logistics for the event, providing a wonderful venue and a delicious buffet to all attendees. At this event, I learned three important things from all of you. First, blockchain and emerging technologies are relevant, important topics to you. I was pleased to have in attendance so many with no previous knowledge of blockchain at all. That was just wonderful. I am honored to have the opportunity to introduce you to blockchain and distributed ledger technologies. Second, some of you brought important questions about the level of corporate adoption of blockchain and security concerns within a blockchain environment. I will definitely expand on those two key topics on future segments of What and Why First. Third, your overwhelmingly positive feedback and kind words of encouragement fuel my desire to continue with What and Why First and even expand its depth and reach. What and Why First is evolving into a global movement with thousands of followers. I believe it is my purpose to bring more value to you in 2019. To accomplish that, What and Why First will provide more technical, hands-on segments about blockchain. I will also invite special guests, leaders, and experts in emerging technologies and business. Thanks again for the opportunity to serve and share with you my passion for leadership, strategy, innovation, and value creation. Remember, the future is distributed and decentralized. Blockchain is here to stay. Together, we are going to harness the power of this architectural concept called blockchain and turn it into sustainable value. If you haven't already, join me on this journey. It is going to be fun. Until next time, cheers!